Email marketing on average has a 4,200% ROI. I didn't stutter, that's $42 back for every dollar you spend as a benchmark. And while everyone is chasing the latest shiny platform, our clients are quietly making anywhere from 30 to 40% plus in email revenue through Klaviyo alone. It's not sexy, it's not trendy, but it works better than anything else out there right now. In fact, one of our clients has just generated $434K in the last 30 days, and they're only spending $140 on that Klaviyo bill. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why email marketing remains #1 compared to any other marketing channel for e-commerce brands in 2025. But if you're in a rush and you want a team of experts like us to implement our strategies and get you that revenue uplift through your email marketing efforts, just click the first link in the description and book your free strategy call. Cool, so let's look at why email marketing is still the most profitable channel for e-commerce brands in 2025. And to be honest, I still believe this will be the most profitable channel for the next 5 to 10 years and so forth. Now, reason #1 and a core factor is because you actually own your audience. With Facebook, with TikTok, Instagram, algorithms can wreck your reach overnight. One platform tweak and your entire organic reach can vanish. You've seen it across the board. What worked yesterday barely scratches the surface today. And the truth is, you are building on rented land. With email, you're in control, right? So email gives you direct access to your customers, no platform restrictions, and no throttled impressions. Every email is a straight shot to someone who already knows your brand, and even better, open and click data is yours to keep and analyze. So an email list is literally a long-term business asset. It's not just a marketing channel, it's a capital asset. Your list grows in value over time. You can sell to it again and again. Also, a buyer would 100% factor in your email list in brand acquisition. So if you're thinking of exit deals, this is going to help with you in your favor. Lastly, it's proof of engaged customers, repeat purchase potential, and brand equity. Okay, so leaning on from the previous point. Second core reason is because the cost comparison is ridiculous. CAC with ads is skyrocketing. Between increased competition and platform fees, ads are more expensive than ever. CPMs, cost per clicks, and cost per acquisition keeps on climbing. In some niches, acquiring one customer can cost $50 to $100 plus. Retargeting, iOS updates crush the performance. Okay, so it's getting a lot more harder to actually make money and profit when it comes to ads. Email, on the other hand, one flat cost based on users, which means more scalable profit. So tools like Klaviyo, for example, they charge based on list size, not campaign performance, or an auction-based system like Facebook, where whoever can afford to pay the most to acquire a customer essentially wins. So you can see some of the costs here that we've got listed below. Most people and most brands that we work with use the marketing analytics. And again, this is something that will be dictated based on your email list size. Now, what does this mean for you? Unlike paid channels where volatility is the norm, email offers consistency. Predictable cost equals predictable margins, and this is how brands stay profitable even when ad platforms go cold. So let's look at a real example of one of our clients. So this is one of my clients who is currently doing $435K in the last 30 days. 55% of that attributed revenue is coming from email. Now, compared to the billing cost, if we go down here and click on billing, you'll see their monthly total they're paying for all of that email list is $1,200, right? Obviously, SMS plan is included with that, but the email plan alone with 65,000 emails is around $140. So the ROI on that, absolutely absurd. I don't even want to do the maths, but you can pretty much see it's around 400 times multiplier, probably even more than that because this is GBP. So yeah, cost is obviously a big factor as to why email is going to be the most dominant and profitable channel for your brand. Third core reason is because of personalization. Now, when it comes to behavioral data, this is going to be a lot more powerful. You can actually segment based on behavior. So if somebody's viewed a product, for example, but they haven't bought from you, you can create a tailored flow showing them the exact product that they was browsing. If somebody's added to cart but they bounce, you can send out an abandoned cart flow tailored to this different form of customer behavior. And lastly, you can also do flows or campaigns where people have purchased a specific product. That allows you to send ultra relevant, perfectly timed emails. Okay, so real email flows that we've used. You can see in this account, we've got a welcome series, win back flow, VIP flow, site abandonment flow. It goes on, right? You don't get this with Facebook or any other acquisition channel. And the revenue, this is literally the last 7 days. You can see for yourself. This is racking up to almost 30K in a week. So email essentially gives you the power to talk to customers based on a different customer buying stage. That is absolutely clinical. Email data helps you improve all channels. So you can find winning angles from customers who have had the highest connection with your brand. We always go ahead and send reports to clients saying, hey, look, this messaging has performed really, really well from this campaign. You should definitely go ahead and try this with your prospecting, with your messaging on your website, as it's clearly resonating with your customer. Leading on from this point, you can also see what products are being ignored and optimize your site and ads accordingly. So at the end of the day, this is all market research in real time, and it makes you smarter everywhere else. So there you have it. 3 core reasons as to why email marketing still remains number 1 compared to any other acquisition channel for e-commerce brands in 2025. You own the audience, the cost to revenue ratio is unmatched, and the personalization capabilities drives conversions like nothing else. So if your email marketing isn't generating 30% in your total store revenue, then you are leaving serious money on the table. And if you do happen to be below that benchmark, click the link in the first description to book a free strategy call with my team, and we'll show you exactly how to transform your Klaviyo account into the most profitable channel for your e-commerce brand. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.